delayed gratification, which you are now experiencing. Sorry for keeping you in suspense. This week, we continue our hesitant walk down a haunted trail as we search ancient tombs, looking for secrets of the dead. I want to dedicate this victory shot to Mrs. Sir Ricky Bobby. She gave me the idea this very morning when she woke up with no makeup on. This shot is called the zombie brain hemorrhage. Brains. Today's drink is named after a demented barber, which isn't too hard to believe since it takes a warped mind to aspire to shave the heads of others. Anywho, this drink was dedicated to a man whose skin was pale and eye was odd. He shaved the faces of gentle men who never thereafter was heard of again. This week's cocktail is called the Sweeney Todd, named after a demon barber who lives on Fleet Street. Half ounce Creme de Cacao. Half ounce of Luxardo liqueur. One and a half ounces of bourbon, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. Deliciously haunting. And a pinch of cayenne pepper. And add a Luxardo Cherry. And that's the Sweeney Todd. Today's word of wisdom is paranormal. Let's break that down, shall we? Para can mean beside or adjacent to, indicating things aren't where you expect them to be. Then normal, meaning status quo. You would never walk into a rundown bar expecting to find anything other than square dancing rednecks. But I digress. So, if my calculations are correct, when you add the prefix para to a word that indicates all is as it should be, you're going to see some serious shit.